Hello everyone, this is Manan Sharma, registration number you are on file CA050. So now I'm going to do my sixth experiment of data structures lab. That is the first program is implementation of linear search. Okay, so linear search is we have to search every element sequentially until the target element is found. Okay, so now here we have the program. Uh, okay, so first we need to declare the required variables that will be needed for searching, and the user will be asking enter the elements of enter the number of elements. And secondly, we have to input the maximum size of the array. So in that array we are going to search the element. And okay, so here we are using a if condition. If n is greater than 0 or n is less than 0, it will print the message not enough space in array, and it will go to top. And then it will input the data from the user. It will ask the user enter the elements one by one, and for that we are using a for loop. So it will enter all the elements, and it will take input all the elements, and then it will ask to input the element to search. And for that we're using a search for loop for loop for searching the array, for searching the element in the array. And inside the for loop we're using a if condition. If a of phi is equal to s, then it will show the message element found at location I, and it will give out the location of the element, and it will increment as well. And if the condition is false, that is the second condition. If c of c less than equals to 0, then it will show element is not found at the position. Okay, so now we'll run the program. Okay, so enter the number of elements. I'm gonna enter 3 elements. Okay, so I entered 3 elements, and when it asked me to enter an element to search, I typed 2, and it was found at location 1, because yes, because the positioning is starting from 0. Okay, so now we'll move on with the second program, that is binary search. Binary search is like if we want to search an element in an array, like binary search, we need to divide the array into two halves, and then the search is done until the target element is found. Okay, so here also we need to declare the required variables for searching, and then it will ask the user to enter the number of elements. And then for input the maximum size of the array, we are using a if condition. If n is greater than 0 or n is less than 0, it will show the message not enough space in array, and it will go to top. And then it's the secondly we are using input the data in the sorted array from the user. Okay, so we are using a for loop, and it's asking the user to enter the elements and input the element to search. That is the element which is to be searched in binary search. Then for that we are using a loop, while loop. The condition is while r is less than f, we'll go inside the loop, and then m will be f by r is equal to f by r divided by 2. And then inside the loop we are using a if condition to check the location of the element. If a of m is equal to s, then it will print the message element found at the location, and it will return to 0. Else if s is greater than m, then it will increment the value of r, else it will decrement the value of f by 1. And the last condition is if c is not equal to 0, then it will print the message element not found. Okay, so now we'll run the program. Okay, enter the number of elements. We type 5, 1. I'll search for 1, and it is found at the location 0. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.